my YouTube channel. So if you guys have been following the channel for any length of time, you've probably realized that I've been grinding on this thing, literally grinding on this thing for well over a year. The YouTube channel went from 155 subscribers to over 1,000 in less than a year. And then we caught some more traction and the subscriber count jumped up to over 8,300 subscribers, I believe it is. That fast. All that growth goes without saying. I was hustling, literally putting out a video every week. Every week I was coming out with videos on the Datsun. From the floor pans, to the frame rails, to the battery tray, to the inner fender, to outer rocker, the inner rocker, underneath the car. I mean, the door jamb. Countless places this thing had rust. So the reason I thought I was gonna have to quit my YouTube channel is one, I wasn't happy with how I was able to upload, the quality that I was able to upload with. I want it to continually to get better. So you might be asking, why would you consider stopping your YouTube channel? That's a good question. So without going into a whole bunch of blah, 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 blah life details, it just got tough. Not so much working on the car got tough, just sitting down every single week and devoting time to editing. But the editing takes a lot of time unless you just slap a bunch of clips together and don't really care. Or you could just do update videos, and I did not want to be a channel that just did update videos and showed you progress. So when you throw in birthday parties on the weekends, Mother's Day, anniversaries, my kids' wrestling season started, my son's in football now. When you take all that into account and working a full-time job, it's a tough thing. Now, I didn't want to bore you guys with a 5-minute video of me talking. I'm just going to come straight out and tell you guys, I am not quitting the YouTube channel. And not only that, I got a huge announcement. Not only am I not quitting the YouTube channel, you guys should be expecting some killer videos. The next repair I'm making is right here. All that to tell you guys, my work schedule here in a month is going to drastically change. Excuse me if I'm sweating, guys. It's literally 100 degrees outside. I had the air on in the shop, but I turned it off so that you guys can actually hear me talk. But what that means for you guys is I'm going to be able to have more productive sessions on the Datsun and on my shop truck. Like I said, I've still been working on both. But my schedule is going to go from me working 5 days a week to working 4 days a week, which means now I'll have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday off. So what I'm hoping, this is what I'm hoping, guys, is I can get out here early on a Friday morning and have the majority of the whole day Friday. I can spend anywhere from 5 to 10 hours on Friday working on this. Well, I'm telling you guys, I am stoked about it, because what does that mean? That means, one, I can still spend time with my wife and kids on the weekend, but that means Friday I can get up early and get after this thing and actually let my brain focus, because believe it or not, when I can start on a project, get an idea in mind of how I'm going to attack it, I'm going to cut this out, make a template, blah, 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 and get after it, I do so much better. And if you guys go back into the the early parts of the Datsun build. I'm talking like video 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Most of those were done on like a Saturday where I come out here early Saturday morning, start on a project, and work it all the way through. And it helps me with the flow of the video. And yeah, so I hope you guys are excited. But those early videos, I was able to get out here, get started on a thing, and work it until it's finished. So I'm excited to be able to do that on this car. I think I rabbit trailed when I was saying that I have 2 videos probably worth of footage of rust repair. So, those of you guys that are still watching, thank you. Feel free to say what's up in the comments. I've been missing uploading. Every week that I don't upload, I'm like, man, the viewers, they probably hate me. You know, they're done. They don't want to see the 240Z build. But you guys got to remember what we started with. We started with a Dream, which is one of my wife's dream cars. This being it. We bought it for 300 bucks. The first thing I used a bead roller on was this project, the floor pans. And actually in the upcoming video, which I told you guys I've been working on, we actually put the bead roller to use. And I'm stoked. I'm ready to get finished with the rust repair. I'm ready to get on to the wide body. I'm ready to get on to building some custom panels. I'm ready to get on. Hopefully this video does not bore you. I'm just stoked to let you guys know I'm not stopping the channel. I'm not stopping the build. But I am excited that my work schedule is changing because I didn't want to continue to do like I did for basically that whole entire year and like devote every Saturday to working on the 240Z. And we're going to continue to pick up the momentum where we left it. I didn't know we left it, but I feel like we kind of did. I'm sorry to you guys. For those of you that feel like I failed in continuing the weekly uploads, life is tough. Life gets busy. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Do me a favor if you will. Smash the like button if you're still excited about this build. If you hadn't chatted with me in a while, say what's up in the comments. And yeah. Dusty Mac and the $300 240Z ain't going nowhere. I'm stoked, man. Good to see you guys. Don't wait so long before you guys come around and say hey again, okay? Now, it's hot in this garage. Cut this, go inside and edit it, and get it out to you guys so that you guys won't be thinking Dusty Mac died. I didn't die. I am feeling kind of hot. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.